and welcome to tutorial number 12. In this tutorial I will discuss about axis profile as well as the point profile in the CATIA. So in the last video I have discussed several commands. So now just start the part, click mechanical part, click OK. Now choose the plane, XY plane, select sketch. Now you can go to compass and on the compass also, no problem. Now you can go to insert and go to profile. Now I have done beginner video, profile, prefer profile, rectangle type, circle type, conic type, spline type, line type, and this line type also I have done. Now in this video last 2 point we have axis as well as the point. In the point we have the several types of point. So now axis and point, there is a 2 profile I will discuss in this video. So I have select the sketch. Now choose before going to choose the axis, you can draw a rectangle. Then now you can choose the axis. Axis means you need to give a axis through the coordinate, through the origin, or else by one point to another point also you can give a axis. Axis doesn't matter, you can give anywhere. So this is called axis. And another one, the last profile we have this point by clicking. So in the point there are 6 types of point by clicking, point by using coordinate, equidistant point, and then intersection point, and this is the projection point, and this is the align point. So I'll choose the first one, point, click point. This point, select again, another point, select once again. So there is a 3 points. Now you can give a dimension also, select the constraint and choose this point and this point. Again, if you want to give a dimension from this point to this point, you can give a dimension, this one also. So this is the point type based on the required distance, how much you want. Then you can choose a line and you can connect one point to the another point also. So this is the use for to connect the line and to measure the point of any coordinate, any plane. Now another point type we have, this is the point by using the coordinate through. You can give a coordinate, the length of x-axis you can give a 20, y-axis you can you can give a 20 x-axis value, and y-axis you can give a 20. Then you can, if you click, so automatically somewhere else it will be click a point. Now here, this is the point here. So again I'll choose my coordinate through. So 30 I'll take, and this one I will take 30 also. Click OK. So now here see here, this is the coordinate. So you can find it, take a line, then now you can go to constraint, this point, this point. So this is the coordinate type point. Another equidistant point. Equidistant point, just click the equidistant point, one point. Now in the third point we have equidistant point, so select this equidistance, and you can give a equidistance. Before that you can select one line, choose a line somewhere like this, one more line you can choose like this. Now you can go to equidistant point, click this, and select this point and this point. So now there is equidistance, so you can give a number of point, how much point you want. Suppose I will give a 4 point, and it will be give a 4 equal distance of point. So select this point, go to equidistant point, give it this point and this point, 2 point. Now in this line of this point you want to give a number of points, so I will give a 7 number of point, click OK. So now you can see there is a total 7 number of points. So this is called equidistance point. Now we have intersect point. So in an intersect point means go to fit, choose the one circle, somewhere this one circle, and choose another circle. Now choose the point and go to intersect point, click the intersect, and you can click this point. This is the intersect point 1 and this is the intersect point 2. So there is a 2 point you intersect. One point and another point here. So this is the intersect point, and this is the projection point, and this is called align point. So this is not much important, but sometimes this projection point will be important when you will project any part on or any sketch. So this is the projection type point and this is the align type. So I hope you can understand this point type and axis profile and point profile in the CATIA. So in the next video I will continue, we'll go with the mirror or some another profile types or any commands. So thank you for watching. Thank you for watching for this video. Please subscribe these channels and like my channels. If you have any further question, please comment me. Okay, so I will meet you in the next video. Thank you for watching.